And it goes a little something like
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Foxy here. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a Roblox animation with Roblox Studio. So let's get into it. First, what you want to do is you want to open up Roblox Studio and click on Baseplate. So once it opens up, you want to open up your toolbox and explore. And properties. So when you have that, you can do it like this, like the size you want. If you want it this big, if you want it this big. I like to keep mine at this bottom so I have more screen. And you use WASD to move and Q to go down, U to go up. So what you do is you want to go to plugins and you want to have Moon Animator. If you don't have it already, it's going to be linked in the description. Or you can go to where it says models, click on it, and then go to plugins. It should come here because it's pretty popular. And yeah, so just gonna search up the one, or you can, if it's not there, you can search up Moon Animator, and it should be the first one. So go back to models and you want to click a character inserter. So then you want to insert the character you want that has the hair. The hair you want. And you don't want to like that, you want to make sure it's R15. And delete the one that if you accidentally delete R15 like I did the first time. So for example, I took this character, it is Water MXLN. Water MXLN 1. So just delete the name. So yeah, make sure you go follow her. She's like one of my favorite YouTubers, and it's just, I give her a shout out just because I am using her character. So you can just delete all the stuff you don't want, like that. So here's the thing with using Moon Animator, you can't change your hair. So since this is the hair I want, I can change it, because if I do, it won't move with the head, it will just stay in one place. So yeah, you can't add any accessories either. So what you want to do then is you want to go ahead and go to your avatar shop, and you want to search up your clothes you want, like this. Pink skirt, and I want, where's the one I want? This one? So again, you're gonna copy it, and you're gonna go to Roblox Studio, go pants and shirts, whatever one you chose first, and you just want to paste it there. Control V or right click paste, and then once again you're gonna do it again. So I'm gonna search up a white cardigan. This one I like, so I'm gonna copy it and paste it here. There we go. something because I've never tried this out. It's to take somebody else's hat and put it with your one, like that. And I think that would work. So yeah, so now you're gonna find your model. Like that. Then I want it to be pink. See this one? So yeah, if you want to get it on, you hold it and you drag it on. Like that. So yeah, you can just find yours. Like this one. Okay, so now what you want to do is you want to take your avatar and put it in place like that. And I'm just gonna go home and I'm gonna rotate it and move it. See, do that, move it. So if you want a smooth movement like this, go to model and it will say rotate and move. Exit and I'll check and go plugins and moon animator. Go to file and click new animation and name it whatever you want. I will name it sofa and an animation and click confirm. So you can go to view and get rid of your toolbox and go to your screen. So you're gonna click this little add button and you're gonna click on your character and click OK. Like that. So now if I wanted to move something like this and like this, a blue dot will appear. So here's the thing, so this is the timeline. So you can make a timeline smaller and bigger. So what you want to do is when you move all your parts, you're going to see a blue dot appears. So say if I were to move this to like right where it says 30, this will happen. So that's how you start with your animation. So you start by making your animation and you use R to change from rotate to move. I sound like I don't know what I'm doing. So yeah, I'm just gonna speed this up. So once you put your avatar in pose, if you weren't in the right place when you first started moving it, you can go to your explorer and move it down or up. And I'm gonna move the upper torso back a bit. Yeah, if you want to take out a dot, you can do that. So yeah, like that. So then what you want to do is you want to move yours up. So the closer it is, the faster it go. So say if I were to move this here, it will go faster. If I were to move it around here, it would go slower. Slower. So I want it to be around here, the next movement. And you can move a limb. So for example, if I want to move this up, so it would do that. But I don't want it to be like that because it looks pretty stiff. So I'm going to take my right lower arm and just turn it like that. Like that. And I want the upper arm to go down. So it goes like that. So then you move it again. And I would want to move the head up. Like this, maybe a bit more this way, and then here I'll move it like this, so it goes like this. So that's my animation. So now what you want to do is you want to make sure it's in the right position and everything. So I think right here actually I will move my left upper leg like this. So once you got that, what you want to do is you want to add a camera. So what you're going to do is you want to go to this camera item here and you want to click add camera. So now you can get your camera in your starting place and make sure your animation's at the beginning. You know, makes a few tweaks. Like that. So once I got that, I'm gonna go back to your camera and put it in place. Like that, and you wanna click the equal plus sign. Wait, click on C frame and then click the equal plus sign. So then you wanna go to your next one. Maybe want to go out here a bit. See? So around here. If you want to go around there. And turn it a bit this way here. once you got it, you wanna go to File and Save. Click yes, and just click cancel here. And then when you open your animation again, it will be there. So now you want to record your video. You want to get rid of Explorer and Properties. Actually, no, you want to have those open. You want to get Toolbox open. Delete Base Plate. Go to where it says Lighting and go to Ambient. And just change these to how you like it. Like that. And I want a light. See if I can spell it. Like that. So yeah, these parts are really of your choice. So I want mine like that. And then I want to change my sky. So like the sky is like this part. So what you want to do is you want to switch with the sky you want. So I want a dawn sky. No, I want a morning sky. Morning sky. I like this one. So then you make sure your animation is at the beginning. So you want to get rid of Explorer, Properties, and Toolbox, and don't open Object Browser. So then what you want to do is you want to click on this, like the animation with animator. You want to click Control H and it will go away. And just make sure I'm at the start of my animation. Control H. Then you want to click on the video record and play. Of course this has to happen. If this happens, you can go to Moon Animated and open up again. Like that. And then you play your animation by pressing spacebar. So you want to leave it like that for a bit for when you edit it. So yeah, that's it. So like I said before, if you didn't save it before, you can go to File and click Save. Or if you're done and you just don't want to record it yet, you can click Save and Close. Like that. So, hope you guys enjoyed and helped you. So, yeah, make sure you like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. See you next time. Bye.